Hi, and welcome back to another episode of Wrap It Up Wednesdays on Adventures with Piccadilly. Today I'm going to show you the wrap that I wore for an airplane travel day as we are visiting family for Thanksgiving. Not even my normal surroundings. So when I was deciding what wrap to wear for our trip, I had three main considerations. One, it needed to be easy to go up. I didn't want a really fussy thing that if it fell off, I would have to put a lot of effort into redoing it. Two, I wanted not a lot of extra-ness, so that resting my head on the back of the airplane seat wasn't going to be too uncomfortable. And three, I wanted tails, so that if I, as I do not infrequently, spill something on my shirt or whatever, I've got that little bit of extra camouflage that a scarf can give to preserve an outfit for the trip. So I ended up doing this wrap with a Rapunzel signature shaper, their Can't Catch Me scarf, and a beaded headband. Now I love the Can't Catch Me scarf, especially for travel, because it matches literally everything. Like, I have never put on an outfit that this scarf didn't just automatically match. It's glorious. So it is a rectangle scarf that I fold first in half and then down a bit so that the circumference is correct. You know, you don't want too much extra length at the back of your neck. And then I put it more or less middle, a little offset to the left, my left, the side that you, opposite where you want your tails. And tie, let's see if I can get a view of that for you guys. I guess I could just turn. So, put it over, tied in the back, and now I have two, one short, one long. With my long edge, I'm going to take the tail and fold it just a little bit in pleating so that it doesn't take up too wide of a space. Bring it up and around on the back of my shaper. So I put it here, let this open. I like any kind of extra width, I guess, more toward the back of my head, unless I'm doing it to the front for a specific reason, like the Renaissance wrap. But so most of the time I'm gonna put it more further back. That's just my personal style. You can do it however you like. So I'm gonna bring it together and then just do, again, a simple tie. And then making sure that as I pull the two ties together, I bring it down and around just a little bit. So this shape right here that you're creating, it's best to just kind of play around with it, get it to where you like it. And it, you know, if you have to tie it 2 or 3, 4 times, it's just all practice. So go for it. This is a super quick wrap. It goes up in maybe 30 seconds. So you've got time to play with it and see if it's, to get it exactly how you want it. So once I've got it tied here and my tails, pop my headband on top for just that little bit of extra glam, and you're good to go. Thanks. See you next time.